Good morning, students. In class 11th history, and we are studying the chapter number 4, that is Central Islamic lands. In this chapter, so far, we discussed number of topics such as rise of Islam in Arabia, Caliphate period, the administrative changes which were brought by both Umayyads as well as the Abbasids in the newly conquered territories. We also discussed about the causes which were responsible for the disintegration and breakdown of Caliphate. The last topic which we discussed was rise of Sultanate. Today we are going to discuss one more topic of this chapter, that is Crusades. Between 1095 to 1291, European Christians fought wars against the Muslims of Eastern Mediterranean to recapture Jerusalem. These wars were later designated as Crusades. According to some sources, Pope Urban II gifted cross to Christian soldiers to fight in the war. That's why the war was named so. As far as the causes of Crusades are concerned, Jerusalem was conquered by Arabs in 638, but it was ever present in the Christian imagination as the place of Jesus, his crucifixion and resurrection. Christians wanted to recover Jerusalem, and this was an important factor responsible for this outbreak of Crusades. People of Eastern Europe converted into Christianity. Eastern Europe, such as Normans, Hungarian Slavs, were termed as people of Eastern Europe. They converted into Christianity, and the Muslims alone remained as the main enemy of Christians. There was also a change in the socio-economic organization of Western Europe in 11th century, which contributed to the hostility between the Christians and the Muslim world. The death of Sultan of Baghdad, namely Malik Shah, in 1092 was another cause which was responsible for these crusades. His death offered the Byzantine Emperor Alexius I a chance to regain Jerusalem. For Pope Urban II, this was an opportunity to revive the spirit of Christianity. In 1095, the Pope joined the Byzantine Emperor in calling for war in the name of God to liberate the holy place.